take our role of steward of the environment so seriously because we are ultimately providing food for the public, but we are also providing nutrients for soil, and soil is there for life. It is there for generations, so we have to take care of the soil, which produces food for the turkey, which creates food for the consumer. I'm Michael Reimer. I'm a turkey producer out of southeast Manitoba. I'm also the chairman on the Manitoba Turkey Producers. Byproduct of turkey production is fertilizer, which feeds crops, which also helps feed other sectors of the food industry and the biodiesel market.
You can't export those nutrients and provide those nutrients to consumers without replacing them back in the field. Otherwise, the plants stop growing. So replacing nutrients either with synthetic fertilizers or livestock manures is an essential part of any food system.
We test the manure before we spread it. We then spread it accordingly to the crop requirements to grow the crop targets that we're looking at. Manitoba has some very strict guidelines on the spreading of manure, restrictive in dates, restrictive in nitrogen and phosphorus. We take that very seriously because that also protects our soils and protects our watersheds.
My name's Steve Barron and I work with Double Diamond Farm Supply. Double Diamond Farm Supply is a farm input dealership located in south central and southwestern Manitoba, as well as southeastern Saskatchewan. My role at Fertilizer Canada within the province of Manitoba, I took a contract with those folks about 6 or 7 years ago, and I provide 4R nutrition training as well as the general communication of 4R nutrition management on the farm to consumers so that they're aware that producers are using safe practices to grow their food. So when we talk about the nutrient cycle or the nitrogen cycle as a whole, you try to mitigate losses to the environment, whether that environment is the atmosphere, air, or water. We try to target our nutrients correctly as you would when you're growing your own garden. Fertilizer Canada's mandate of reducing greenhouse gases starts with the philosophy and practice of 4R nutrition management, utilizing synthetic, organic fertilizers as the right amount in the right place at the right time with the right product. So we're just trying to train our people in the field how to mitigate those risks so that they're doing the best they can with their best foot forward and limit those emissions. So utilizing nutrition, whether it's in a synthetic form, as a manufactured product, or organic, which would be manure from whatever livestock operation that might be, is both very important forms. Now, organic is a very good tool, but when it comes to supply, it is limited. So one exciting thing for me being in this industry is understanding that 4R nutrition management, with the tools we have today, with all the technology and science and research and development, has exponentially increased, and it's an exciting industry to be part of. Here today we're at Ag Days 2024, and the booths here with all the technology, whether it's enhanced efficiency fertilizers or equipment and how those fertilizers can be placed, is incredible.
I'm very, very proud to be part of Canadian agriculture because it is such a wide array of different people, different producers out there. It takes many different talents to do all of that, and I'm always amazed at how resilient agriculture producers are.
I feel a real pride working in the agriculture sector, and a lot of that pride revolves around the people I work with. I very much enjoy the passion that everybody brings to the table to provide food in a safe manner, and I know in behind the scenes how much pride everybody else I work with takes. So as a collective group, accomplishing that at the end of the day is just really exciting and makes you feel good about what you do.